Hi, my name is Nina Nesteroff, and I wanted to show you how you can make a capture page using Instant Splash PageMaker. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here to Instant Splash and open that up and log in. Now, if this is the first time you're making a capture page or a splash page, you want to go to Profile and upload your photo. Obviously, I've already done that. So now I'm going to go over here to Splashes. And the first tab here says Create a New Splash. So we click on that. And as you can see here, we've got three boxes. One that says Now, one that's a array of colors, and then one on the right that doesn't say anything. Now shows the color of the headline background that's currently in use. If you take this little wheel and scroll it across, watch the box on the right, and you can see how the color changes based on the movement. So you can choose whatever color that you care to choose. I'll go down here in the green range because I like green. And then I'm going to scroll down here. This is where you choose to have a photo, which you should always put a photo on because the whole idea is for you to brand yourself and build your own list. You can choose to put your photo on the right or left, and I'll choose right this time. You also want to choose to have your signature. What that does is just put your name under your picture so people know who you are. Splash ID, this is simply a short name that you give the splash page so you know how to find it. And we'll just call this one 500 bucks test. Okay, the next line is a headline. And we're going to say, do you want to earn $500 monthly online? Ooh. Okay. Then you tab down. Don't hit enter because that will cause it to save. Our subheader is a little bit longer, but it will display in all caps, so it doesn't matter how you enter it. Let's say, get my free step-by-step report to learn more. Then the next two lines have to do with putting an ebook cover or a banner, some type of image, and then you can put a URL in to make it clickable. We are not going to do that today. The next line is to use if you have a YouTube video that you're wanting to put on your page, and this is where you'd put your video embed code, which we're not doing that either. Now the next three lines have to do with, they're just bullet points. Let me scroll down a little bit for you so you can see it better. Carl Bailey, who is the webmaster here, suggests that the less people read, the more they're going to click. So if you're going to use bullet points, you can use all of them or none of them, but you want to make it short and sweet. So I'm just going to say here, I have to learn how to type though, real-time support and interactive training. Now, as you can see, it's already typed out there because I've used this before, and to save time I could have just clicked on it and then you wouldn't have seen my errors, but I didn't do that. And then we could put another one down here that says this won't cost you a red cent. The destination site, we're not going to use that because I'm actually going to put in form code and make this a capture page. The mini responder, I don't use that either because I actually have an autoresponder that directs the names to me in my own list. And that's the other side of this, is you're branding yourself, you want to build your own list. So I highly, highly recommend that you have an autoresponder. Carl Bailey also recommends that. He says, when you get serious, get a real autoresponder. If you click here, you can get Traffic Wave. It'll take you to Traffic Wave, so you can sign up there. He also says, be professional. When you get serious, get our Pro Upgrade 2. Get it here, and that would allow you to get the Pro Upgrade. Now, what we're going to do, as I said, is make this a capture page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Traffic Wave, log into my back office, and get the code to put in there. So we log in, choose Campaign Manager, and then I'm going to click on $500 because that's sort of the theme of the page that I'm making. There are 4 tabs here: Admin, Letters, Subscribers, and Capture Form, so we're going to choose that. This is a preview of the form that I'm going to put on the page, just asking for name, email, and then they hit submit. So go down a little further on the page, and here is the actual code that needs to go on the Instant Splash page. So I click Select All, and then I hit Control-C on my keyboard to copy it. I go back over here to Instant Splash, and that's going to go in this big box right down here. So I do Control-V, and it's supposed to drop it in there. I did that last time. Okay, let's I actually had my cursor in the wrong place, so let's get rid of that. Okay, so here it is down here, as it's supposed to be. Then click Save, and we'll go down here and find, here it is, $500 test. So we click on that, and there's the splash page we just made, the capture page with the form in it. We can go back over here and edit that, just to show you how easy that is. We'll click on Edit. And I don't like it when things don't fit on one line. So I'm going to take To Learn More out of there, and I'm going to take this line out. Now I'm going to leave that in there. So I'm going to take To Learn More out, and go down here and save it. Okay, go back to the page. Okay, this is how it looked. I edited it and saved it, and now I'm going to click refresh, and there's the difference. So I like that a lot better with the subheader all on one line. And that's how easy it is to make a splash page or a capture page on Instant Splash. And I highly recommend that you get it and make your splash pages. Let me show you real quick. If you're going to put something out in traffic, this is what you get. You copy this, Control-C. You can go up to another browser just to show you. That's what you would put out in traffic. That's a different page, but that's all you do. Thank you very much for watching this. If I can help you any way, please let me know. My name again is Nina Nesteroff, as you can see here. And you can reach me by Skype at Magnolia4851. Thanks a lot. I hope this video helps.